Alright, this one came in. Customer is saying that his vacuum doesn't turn on. Got power to the switch. Looks like all his cables are connected correctly. Everything seems okay, just filthy. Pump works. Heater works. He even said he changed out the vacuum with a good one and still doesn't work. So let's see what's going on. Alright, let's check our power here. Let's see what we got. Oh, got a little bit when I press on the switch. So we're getting minimal power. Alright, let's try a new switch. Alright, we'll get our new switch plugged in. See how our power source looks like. Look at that. We have power. Bada bing. That simple. Now, I do see a leak here. So we'll call the customer, see if he wants to replace this.